Hello and welcome students. In the last video, we have studied the terms novel and novella. We have also focused on characteristics of novel and novella. We have also studied reasons behind the rise of novel. In today's video, first of all, I want to focus on 18th century major novelists and their novels. The Pilgrim's Progress is an allegory written by John Bunyan, published in 1678. It is regarded as one of the most significant works of religious and theological fiction in English literature. Uzunoku, or The Royal Slave, by Ephra Behn, published in 1688. Ephra Behn is the first writer to produce fictitious anti-slavery novel. Robinson Crusoe, published in 1719, and Moll Flanders, published in 1722, are famous picaresque novels written by Daniel Defoe. Gulliver's Travels is a famous satire written by Jonathan Swift, published in 1726. Pamela, or Virtue Rewarded, published in 1740, and Clarissa, published in 1748, are epistolary novels by Samuel Richardson. Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, and Tobias Smollett are also major novelists of 18th century. The tradition was enriched by many other novelists like Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Nathaniel Hawthorne, Horace Walpole, Thomas Hardy, Wilkie Collins, and H.G. Wells. Now, let's study 20th century novelists. The 20th century is marked by modern topics, innovative styles and techniques, and widened angles of views by the novelists like E.M. Forster, James Joyce, Joseph Conrad, Henry James, George Orwell, Graham Greene, D.H. Lawrence, William Golding, and Anthony Burgess. They widened the circumference of the genre by writing political, social, psychological, and other modern issues in their novels. Salman Rushdie, V.S. Naipaul, and Kazuo Ishiguro are some immigrant authors. Now, let's focus on women novelists and their works. The contribution of women novelists cannot be neglected. Elvina by Frances Burney is the novel of manners. Gothic novels by Anne Radcliffe. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley is science fiction. Jane Austen has been ruling over the minds of people through her novels. Emily Bronte and Charlotte Bronte have created their place by famous work The Wuthering Heights and Jane Eyre. Virginia Woolf is the pioneer of the stream of consciousness techniques in English novel. Agatha Christie created her own place by writing many novels based on crime. Now, let's focus on Indian scenario. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's novel Rajmohan's Wife was the first novel in English written by an Indian. It is serialized in the Indian field. Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, and Raja Rao were major trio who prevailed in the period. Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi, and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their works. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth, and Upamanyu Chatterjee make better the Indian novel in English by adding new features. Recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai and Kiran Nagarkar. Elements of novel or novella. There are 6 elements of novel or novella. They are theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, language and style. All these factors may be related to one another in the work by an author. The first important element of novel is the theme. Theme is usually defined as what a novel is about. Theme is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. In short, theme is a central topic, subject or a message within a narrative. The second important element of the novel is plot. Plot is what happens in the novel. Plot is essentially the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict either internal, that is inside the mind of the character, or external, that is with other characters or entities. Plot may be simple or complex. In short, plot is a kind of blueprint for constructing a gripping sequence of events. The third important element of a novel is character. A character is a person, animal, being, or thing in a story. Writers use characters to perform the actions and speak dialogue, moving the story along a plot line. Depiction of character can range from a thumbnail sketch to deep, highly detailed verbal sketch. The major characters may have been described in its every aspect by the writer. The minor characters are not given much importance. The reader follows the actions of one main character throughout the novel. This character is referred as protagonist. The fourth element of novel is setting. Setting is when and where of the story. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of the setting. It includes place, period, time, climate, and lifestyle. Plot and characters are the two major elements that are affected due to setting. Setting is the time and geographic location within a narrative, either non-fiction or fiction. It initiates the main backdrop and mood for the story. Elements of setting may include culture, historical period, geography, and time. Setting is considered as one of the fundamental components of novel. The next important element of novel is conflict. The struggle between opposite forces in the story is called conflict. Conflict in the story provides interest and curiosity about the plot. The conflict within the story generally comes in four basic types: conflict with the self, conflict with others, conflict with the environment, and conflict with the supernatural element. Conflict with the self, the internal battle a lead character has within, is often the most powerful. The last important element of novel is language and style. The language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as style. An author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be laconic and would write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic devices to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the readers. In this way, today we have focused on 18th century major novelists and their novels, 20th century novelists, immigrant authors, women novelists, Indian scenario, and elements of novel. In the next video, we will focus on different types of novels.